Now we can learn the 7th class General Science Nature of Substances. Nature of Substances. Next, concepts of covering acids, bases, natural substances, acid-base indicators, pH of substances, reaction of acids with metals, reaction of bases with metals. Next, reaction of diluted H2SO4 acid with eggshell. Neutralization reaction, uses of acids and bases in our daily life, precautions to be taken while handling chemicals. But we are also learned already covering the 8 concepts. Briefly, I explained the 8 concepts as acids. What is mean of acids? Acids taste is sour. So taste substances is called the acid. Acid is a Latin word acer. Acer means sour. So acids examples. Lord, we have to say the sour taste is taste substances also says the acids. But acid some fruits also have lemon, tamarind, apple, tomato, all usiri, alum, amla and usiri. Usiri, this is also a some acids. Acids examples also a HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, etc. Next one bases. But acids is turn the blue litmus into red color. Blue litmus into red color. Taste is sour taste. Bases is also a slippery nature and bitter taste. This is also a red litmus into turn into blue litmus. But basis is also a uses in H2 sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, calcium hydroxide also for examples of bases. Next one we have to go to the acids bases is introductions also explain the scientist Arrhenius. Arrhenius scientist is also a Sweden's chemist. Explain the acids bases. They got to Nobel Prize 1903 also. But Arrhenius also explained the acids bases. Next, neutral substances. Neutral substances, the substances while acid or base is called the neutral substances. Example of distilled water, sugar solution and salt solution. Next one we can go to the acid base indicators. Acid base indicators, you can test and touch the substances and say the which substance is acid, which substance is base. But some harmful substances, HCl, H2SO4, some this type of substances is very harmful. They did not touch the substances, but how do they can decide the substances which is base, which is acid? They can use some indicators. Acid base indicators. Acid base indicators is there are the 4 types of acid base indicators. Natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators and universal indicators. Natural indicators is also we can discuss and also do some activities in previous class. But natural indicators is litmus papers, hibiscus, turmeric and red cabbage, etc. Next one, synthetic indicators is also a methyl orange and phenolphthalein. But olfactory indicators also a onion, clay oil and vinegar also uses. Next one, universal indicators also indicator also a uses to decide the strength of the acids and bases. Next one we can go to the pH of the substances. But what is mean of pH? pH means the strength of the acids and bases is called the pH. For example, you can touch the vinegar. There is no harmful. You can use the vinegars in cooking also. But wash the vegetables also uses. But the same vinegar also a acid. But HCl also they did not touch the acid. But they are very harmful. We can comparing to the vinegar. But why? they have to, vinegar is you can touch and do the any uses in substances, but HCl is not touch that HCl is very harmful. But what is the difference between the vinegar and HCl? The acids is depending on the strength. The strong acids and weak acid. How do they can decide the strong and weak acids? But they can use in the pH scale. pH scale is introduces the S.P.L. Sorensen. S.P.L. Sorensen scientist is introduced the pH scale. pH scale is 0 to 14. 0. The scale is indicated to 0 to 14 values. 0 to 14 values. pH is of acids is less than 7. pH of base is more than 7. pH of neutral substances is 7. But the strong acids is 0 to 7. Decreases. 0 to 7 is decreases the value. But basis is increases the 17 to 14 the values. This is also a pH scale. Next, reaction of acids with metals. Reaction of bases with metals. Reaction of acids. Acids is reaction with metals. They can release the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. This activity also you all also already madam do and this activity explained in previous classes. But I also briefly given the introduction. Given the reaction of acids with metals. Acids react with metals. They can release the hydrogen gas. But same process, the bases also reacts with metals. They can release the hydrogen gas. All the bases is not react with the metals. Some bases also reacted with the metals. For example, sodium hydroxide. Next, reaction of diluted H2SO4 acid with the eggshell. Eggshell is also a calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is reacted with the acids. They can release the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. This is also a briefly introduction the concepts of the 8 concepts. Next one we can go to the neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means acid and base mix them and they can form the salt and water. Acid plus base. They can form the salt plus water. Water. This is also called the neutralization reaction. They can neutralization reaction. They can do the small activity. First one. Can come and near ma'am. దగ్గరికి వచ్చి తీస్తారు యాక్టివిటీ నేను కలిపి చెప్పాను పర్వాలేదు యాక్టివిటీ ఫస్ట్ వన్ we can take the conical flaws. Next one we can take the sodium hydroxide solution. First one, take the conical flaws. You can take the sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution. Next one, this is also a phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator. Adding 2 or 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Adding 2 or 3 drops of phenolphthalein. they get the which color also come? Pink color. But sodium hydroxide is also a basic solution. But you can mixing the phenolphthalein indicator in basic solution, they get the pink color. Pink color. But we have to add in this is also a hydrochloric acid, diluted hydrochloric acid. I can take on the small beaker. First one, you can take the pillar and you can drop one drop on the solution. You can add the HCl solution droply, but you can observe me the color is also a disappear. The color also a disappear. We can add in another small quantity. You can take this beaker and add the HCl solution. You can observe me, the color is also disappear. The color is also a disappear. What happening? But NaOH is a basic nature. You can mixing the phenolphthalein indicator, they get the pink color. But this is also a basic nature. But I can add the HCl in drop and drop. They can neutralize the acid and base. They get the colorless solution. Colorless solution. This is also a acid, the colorless solution. How to you can indicate that this is the neutralization reaction. But the acid is, the base is neutral with acid. Neutral with acid, they can colorless solution also form. This is also a neutralization small activity. Small activity. Next one, we can do another activity. How to they can form the acids and base, mix them and they can form the salt and water. First one, same product, sodium hydroxide. This is also a sodium hydroxide solution. I can take the sodium hydroxide petals. Sodium hydroxide petals. Sodium hydroxide petals I take in the test tube. First one, same, you can add it with acid, hydrochloric acid, diluted hydrochloric acid. But the acid is base reacted with, they can form the water and salt. Water and salt. But the salt is inside bottom of the test tube. you can observe them, the water bubbles in the test tube on the walls. You can observe me test tube. The water bubbles is also formed on the test tube walls, but the salt is bottom of the test tube. But the methods of separation of mixtures we can learn in the previous classes, but this methods is used to filtering method. They can separate the salt also. They can separate the salt also. This is also a neutralization process. But acid base reacts with, they can form the salt and water. You can observe me the test tube walls on forming the water droplets. But the bottom of the test tube, they have formed the some salt and water forming. This is the another activity of the acids and base. This is also a neutralization process. But this neutralization process, they can release the heat energy also. We can touch the test tube. The test tube is some heat energy also. You can feel that some heat also heated the test tube. But this process is doing, they can release the heat energy. This is also a neutralization reaction. This is a neutralization reaction. Understand, students? Okay. Acid and base, mix them, they can form the salt and water. But I can take the sodium hydroxide and mix the HCl. They can form the sodium chloride and water bubbles also. You can observe this test tube on the water bubbles on the walls of the test tube, and bottom of the, they can form the salt also form. This is the neutralization reaction. But another one is also another one. You can take the sodium hydroxide solution mixed with phenolphthalein indicated, they get the pink color. But the pink color is changed into the adding the sodium HCl, they can get the colorless. But why they can form the colorless? The acid and bases and reacted, they can colorless water also form them. This is also another example of acids and bases. Acids and bases in our daily life. But there are many uses of acids and bases in our daily life. We can cleaning agents and neutralization. Next one, stain removers, medicines and preservatives. They can use the cleaning. They have the cleaning and stain removers and medicines and preservatives. They are using the acids and bases in our daily life. Next one, antacid. Acidity. Acidity is also know that. What acidity means? You can take the food and our stomach release the HCl acid. This acid is called the gaseous juice. Gastric juice means HCl acid is released in our stomach, but you can kill any germs in our food. They have to mixing the clean them our food and digestive system. But this gastric juice exceeds in our body, they can pain and burning in our stomach and pain also come in our stomach. This is also called the acidity. Acidity means they have to more acid is released in our body. They have to burning itching also and pain also come in our body. This is called the acidity. But we have to remove the acidity. We can using the antacid tablets. Antacid tablets. The antacid tablets is used to relieve the acidity. Relieve the acidity. The antacid tablets, you can observe them. The antacid tablets have containing ammonium hydroxide and milk of magnesium. Milk of magnesium substances combined. Ammonium hydroxide and milk of magnesium substances is a basic nature. Basic nature. But in acidity also in our stomach should produce the HCl acid more, and they can form the pain in our stomach and burning sensation. They can relieve it with the antacid, uses the antacid tablets, and also uses. But antacid tablets and digestive tonics also uses them. But these also have a basic nature. But the antacid tablets have a ammonium hydroxide and milk of magnesium. The basic natures go in our stomachs. They can neutralize the acids, but they can relieve the acidity in our body. Next one, ants and bees bite. Ants and bee bites. Ants is a bite in our body. They can release some acids. They can release the acid, formic acid. They can release the formic acids. The ants is bite in our body. They can release the formic acids. But honey bees, any bees bite them. In olden days, our old people says that you can apply the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide means sunnam. They can apply the calcium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide also apply this on the bite the itching. They have to form some irritating them. But the ants and honey bees is bite them. They can release the formic acid. The acid is they can itching, and they have irritated the pain and irritated them. They can release it with uses the sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide also applied them. The base is neutralized the acid. They can relieve them. This is also uses of acids and bases. Next, soil treatment. Soil treatment, we can do the small activity. In farmers, you can farming the farmers. First one we can test the soil test. We can test the soil. The soil has a pH values of soils. They can use some chemicals. Which type of chemicals is uses in the soil? We can decide that. This is also some small activity in soil treatment. This is also pH indicators. You can observe me colors. Thick brown, red and green and black, blue and green colors also. This is also a pH indicators papers. First one, we can take the soil, mix in the water. I take the soil solution in the another beaker. We can dip in the universal indicator paper, pH paper. You can dip in the pH paper. They get the blue color. But which color is color? Light green color. Light green. This is also see on the paper script. This is the light green color. But this is the acidic nature of the soil. Acidic nature. But the soil nature is acidic nature. acidic nature. But we can uses which type of chemicals is uses, but basic nature chemicals, calcium calcium hydroxide also uses this type of soils. This is also a acidic nature of the soil. This is also a soil treatment. We can identify which soil is acidic nature, which soil is basic nature. We have to conclude them, but we can remaining uses the chemicals also. This is the acidic nature. We can uses the chemicals is basic chemicals. Basic chemicals means calcium hydroxide, sodium, potassium and nitrogen. This type of hydroxides substances, crystallizers also uses this soil. This is also a soil treatment. Next one, basics. Any soil is test them, they get the basic nature. You can use the composting of the composting naturally. The compost fertilizers also uses them. This is the uses of in our daily life acids and bases. Discuss the, do you know, hydrangea plants. Hydrangea plants is you can depending the color of the flowers on the pH of the soil. pH of the soil is below 5.5. They can form the blue color flowers. But the pH of the soil is below 6.5. They can form the pink flowers. But you know that these flowers is see that blue and pink color. You can decide the soil of the pH. The hydrangea plants is the naturally you can they can two types of flowers is forming depending on the soil pH. Below of the 5.5 of the soil of pH is blue color. 6.5 below is soil pH is color the pink color flowers. Next one, acid rains. The acid rains is damaged the historical monuments. But in our India, you can see that Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one sweet memory of historical monuments. They can damage it with the acid rains. But how do they can form the acid rains? The acid rains is the rainwater is nature. The rainwater which is acidic nature. Acidic nature is called the rainwater. Acid rains. Acid rains is from the rainwater which is a acidic nature. Acidic nature is called the acid rains. But how do they can acid rains is formed? In polluted in the air pollution. Main reason of air pollution. Air pollution is they can release the some petrochemicals and fuels like and petrochemicals. They can release the sodium hydroxide and nitrogen hydroxide. The oxides also mix in the air. The rain also fall. The rain droplets is mixing these gases. They can form the sulfuric acid and nitric acid. They can mix the water droplets of the rain. They can form the acid rains. The acid rains is very damaged in our historical monuments and some buildings and plants, animals and etc. also. But the acid rains is reduce them. We can all of the people is planting the trees. You can reduces first of all pollution, air pollution. The air pollution is reduced them. We can plantation of trees. Everyone you can planting the trees, but you can reduces the acid rains. But this acid rains is very dangerous. But the acid rains is removed that we can, everyone you have to participate on planting of trees and plants. Next one, do you know neem and miswak and kanuga? Kanuga, these are also a trees uses with the brushing of teeth. But the three types of trees, neem, miswak and kanuga, also a basic nature. But we have to release the acid in our mouth and by the bacteria in our mouth. But we have to use us to this neem stick and miswak and kanuga sticks also uses and brush with teeth. They can neutralize this and they have to remove the bacteria. But this is also a basic nature of the plants. This plant's nature is basic nature. This is the uses of acids and bases in our daily life. But some uses also, vinegar also uses in the prevention of pickles and food items. Vinegar also uses the prevention of pickles and food items. And citric acid is food preservatives and soft drinks. Food preservatives and soft drinks is also a citric acid. Next one, nitric acid and sulfuric acid also uses the manufacturing of chemicals, fertilizers and diapers and dyes, etc. But manufacturing of medicals, fertilizers, dyes, etc. Next one, tannic acid produce the ink and leathers. Tannic acid is also used production of ink and leather. This is the some acids uses in our daily life. But some bases also uses in our daily life. Calcium hydroxide neutralizes the acidity of soil and washes also, white washes. And you can, basic nature of the soil, you can utilize them. They can using the calcium hydroxide and washes, white washes also. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesium also as antacid and alexatively uses them. Some acid, antacid tablets, you can uses the milk of magnesium. Next, ammonium hydroxide. Next, windows cleaner, cleaning agent. Windows cleaner and cleaning agent is also a ammonium hydroxide. Next, sodium hydroxide, manufacturing of the paper, soaps and detergents. Next, potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is manufacture of soaps and batteries. This is also a some bases, uses of some bases. Do you know detergents? But we have to uses of soaps and detergents, buttering soaps and surf excel soaps. But how do they can prepare the surf excel and ring detergents? Also using the potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide and coconut oil as acidic like coconut oil, fatty acids like coconut oil and alkyl like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxides. And they can use to prepare these substances. They can prepare the soaps. Fatty, acidic like coconut oil. Next alkyls means the bases dissolved in the water. They can call the alkyls like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. This is the substances used to they can prepare the detergents and soaps. All the alkyls is base. All the bases is not alkyls. But for example, zinc hydroxide is not a alkyl. All the alkyls is bases. Bases is not a All the bases is not a alkyl. But for example, zinc hydroxide is a base, not a alkyl, not a alkyl. You can discussion prevention to be taken while handling chemicals. Precautions to be taken while handling chemicals. But chemicals is very harmful. They can touch and taste them. They can fall on our body. They can form the woundeds also. But how to they can handling the chemicals? First one, the how to dilute the acids. You can do the small activity. First one, we can take the water on the conical flask. This is also a HCl solution. This is also a HCl solution, hydrochloric acid. I can take in the beaker, but this acid is take in the dropper. One drop mix in the water. Mix in the water and they can stir them. But they did not pour directly the acid. The acid mixing with water, they can release the heat energy. But we can mixing the acids in water in drop and drop. You can use the dropper, mix them and stir them. This is the process of diluted the acids. There is not pouring the acid fastly. They can release the heat energy, but they can chilling and forming some form on the our body also. They can fall on the our body also. But they did not do this activity. But you can do this dropper. Use them drop. You can mix with the water and stir them. This is the process of dilution of the acids. Dilution of the acids. But the chemicals uses them we can use very carefully, and they have to use the droppers and handles also use them and do this activity. Next one, chemicals burn and first aid. Chemicals burns and first aid. Start first aid immediately. Move the contaminated cloths from the person. First one, we can remove the contaminated cloths from the person. But wash the affected area with plenty of water. First one, which part is they have to wounded them. This part is clean them with plenty of water. Do not proceed to blisteries. Do not proceed to blisteries. Shift the person to hospital immediately. This is the chemically burn with the first aid. Some simple tips also given them. Next one, we also completed this lesson, nature of substances. In our we have uses many substances. The substances nature, how to they can learn, how to they can decide the nature of the substances, acids, base and neutral substances, and how to they can decide it. But the uses of the substances for our better living, while depending on how much we know about their properties and characteristics. By having hand and experience with proper care, you will more knowledge about these substances. We know that this lesson, which substances is acid, base, neutral substances, how to they can uses in our daily life, and precautions to be taken while handling the substances. This also we know that the nature of the substances.